Okay, so we'll start with the fruit and veg. I got some manchoux, some baby sweet corn for some Thai green curry. I got some tomatoes for salads, mushrooms for a recipe that I'm doing, a cucumber. Everybody loved the cabbage from last week, so I got some more cabbage. I got the mixed leaves, which are still in the special. These were 49¢. I got a bulb of garlic. I got 2 peppers. Again, some butterhead lettuce. It's really nice at the moment. Some scallions. I got some blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. I got some radishes for salads. I got 2 bunches of bananas, one which are really green and one that are less green. I got some figs. I'm going to put them in my salad. I have a goat's cheese and walnut salad on my menu plan this week. Some crisps. My son requested crisps and rolls, so I have got some part bake rolls in the press that I'm going to put on now in a minute when I have all this put away, and make him some lunch with a few crisps on the side. He loves that. I got some free range eggs. Again, some choco rice. I don't normally buy this every week, but as it's summertime, I thought I'll treat the kids. Some dried cranberries, some dark chocolate rice cakes. I got some brown bread. I got some spelt bread this week. This was on special, so I picked that up instead of the regular one, but this is really nice as well if you haven't tried it. Some brioche buns. I got some pasta. I ran out of pasta during the week, so I needed more. Thai coconut milk and some Thai green curry paste. I got some chicken stock, or sorry, beef stock. 2 more cartons of tomatoes. So I have some digestive biscuits and some snack biscuits. I have some fizzy water, some diluted lemon. And just moving on to the meat, I bought some chicken breast fillets. I didn't get to make the butter chicken from my meal plan last week. We actually had one day where we ate out, so I have 1 chicken breast left in the in the freezer. So I just got 2 more to add to that for the meal. I got a joint of salmon. It's a really big one, so I'd say I would feed the 4 of us out of this, but the kids are going to have pizza one night this week, and the kids are going to have some fish and chips this week, so I'm going to have salmon instead of some breaded fish that I'll show you there now in a minute. So I will cook this up and then keep some of it then for lunches. 3 litres of milk. I got 2 almond milks this week. They were on special, so I picked up 2. I got some, oh no, this is corned beef. I wasn't meant to get corned beef. I was meant to get roast beef. Oh no. That's okay. That's okay. I'll put that in, and I might even go around and get some more beef. I hate when that happens. Doesn't matter. It's okay. We'll figure it out. Okay. I got more ham slices, so 2 packs of ham. Some goat cheese for lunches. My daughter requested halloumi. I got some halloumi. This is really nice fried up. Some mozzarella cheese, some double cream, some sour cream, some Greek yogurt, some loop-de-loops. These were on special this week, so I picked those up. My son requested fish and chips for dinner one day this week, so I bought these breaded haddock fillets, and I will pick up some of the skin on fries from Aldi. They're really nice, but I don't need them right now. I use them during the week, so I'll probably pop into Aldi and pick those up as well. I got some of these stone-baked thin and crispy pizza bases. There's 2 here in this pack. So what I'll do is I'll make up a bit of tomato, some pizza sauce with one of these, a bit of garlic, some herbs, and the kids can pop this on and put whatever toppings they'd like on. We have ham, we have, what else do we have? I don't know, we have lots of bits and pieces that they can find and put on. Some household bits now. I needed some more laundry detergent. My daughter was looking for some deodorant. We needed some razors. My daughter also was looking for a new toothbrush. And I needed some baking paper. Okay, so all of this came to €120.74. And as you can see, I have, are they 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vouchers for €5 off. So it came to €95 and a few cents. Okay, and then I just picked up a few other bits in the drapery section. So my son needs some new pajamas, and these were on sale for only €2. They're a little bit big, but they'll be okay. I picked up some socks for school, and I also picked up 3 more bowls to match the bowls that I bought last week. So I have 8 now altogether. And also what I did was I put €10 on this gift card. And the plan is to every week put something on this gift card so that by the time Christmas comes, I should have a good bit saved on this card, and I can use this for grocery shopping or anything else that I might need, household bits or maybe even Christmas decorations or presents, that type of thing. So I got this tip actually from my mum, who's really good with this type of thing. So yeah. Okay, so here's the meal plan for this week. Today is Friday. So that's when I start my meal plan from. So we are going to have, I have put down a prawn stir fry, but there was no prawns that I like the look of in the shop. So I'm just going to have a vegetable stir fry. The kids will have pizza. Then Saturday we will have butter chicken. This is from last week's meal plan. However, I do have the ingredients for it there. So I'm going to do that now on Saturday. Sunday I have a roast beef. And as you've seen from my haul, I actually got the wrong thing. So I'm in 2 minds whether I should just keep what I have and make do with that, or maybe put that in the freezer and get the roast beef. I'm not sure, I'll see. But either way, I have roast beef. And then I was going to do, with the leftover beef, a Thai green curry for Monday. On Tuesday, I have fish and chips. My son requested like battered fish and chips, so I got the fish already, and I'm just going to get the skin on fries out of Aldi because we prefer those. I will have salmon when my husband and the kids are having the fish and chips. I'll have salmon. I'll probably have some brown rice and some salad as well. If there is with any more of the beef that's left over, because it's a big enough piece that there would be enough for 3 dinners, I will do a beef stroganoff. I'll do that with rice, and I'll put in some onions and mushrooms, and it just be really nice, really tasty. I will do a veg pasta. I always do a veg pasta the day before my food shop, which is always a Thursday, and the reason why is just to use up any leftovers that we have in the fridge. And my kids love pasta. It's a crowd pleaser, so it's always on the meal plan. As you can see here, I have porridge every single morning for my breakfast, and I normally have that with some berries and some peanut butter, some chia seeds or linseed, something like that. But the kids then will have cereal, eggs, and they've also requested pancakes, so we'll do pancakes on Sunday. And then for lunches, I normally alternate between salad, sandwich, omelette, salad, sandwich, omelette, and I just do that then throughout the week. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.